up, guys? So it's a kind of a nice day, not raining, so we thought we'd bust out a couple of the cars and take them for a drive. You know, you got to use them a little bit. I don't know if you guys have seen the Delsol yet. Maybe you have, maybe you haven't. I haven't really posted much with it. It's right after I got it, I hit somebody with it, and I don't know, I just took all the shit down. But I traded that black S10 for it, and the guy came over and he was looking, and I was like, all right, I'm not really interested. I don't want a little Honda car. It's not really what I'm into. But he took me for a drive, and man, it was pretty fun. So I was like, well, yeah, let's do it. It'll be fun for a little bit. So we thought we'd show you guys, bring it out again. It's got a K-swap and a 6-speed. I don't really know what any of this shit means, but it's, I don't know, kind of fun little car to drive. It's like a little go-kart, pretty quick. So we'll go kind of do a quick walk around and then do a drive with you guys. See if I can get the hood open. It has some yada yadas and some other doodads over here and some shiny shifter stuff. A little header, and it's got, what else has it got? It's got some kind of fancy little tiny go-kart wheels that are, I guess, from Japan or something. It's got some more fancy shiny shifter stuff things and some tuning box fancy thing. We just pulled the top off today just because we haven't had the top off since we've had it. We've had it since back in October, I think. Coilovers, some other fancy little bar doodad, some big fancy fart can. It actually sounds pretty good though, not like the rest of the fart cans. It's actually kind of throaty and sounds decent, loud as shit, but pretty fun. I kind of enjoy driving it. It's, I don't know, entertaining. You get a lot of smiles and people looking at you. I don't know why they're looking at you or smiling at you funny, but we'll leave that there. Anyways, so yeah, we'll get in the car and take you for a drive in it. We've had the car for a while, just haven't really made any videos. We made a few and then took them down, but time to make some videos with it. It's actually a super fun little car to drive. Pretty impressive. I actually would have never thought I'd buy or trade for a Honda, but I don't know, the guy took me for a ride and it was pretty freaking fun. So I decided why not. But what do you say, it's like 230 something horsepower or something like that? 237 at the tires. Yeah. It's a pretty fun little car. So don't judge me. You would do it too. Grind in a second, never hurt anybody. Try to take stuff away from the house before I go make a bunch of noise. This thing's pretty loud. I don't want to piss off my neighbors all the time, just, you know, some of the time. I think me and Kyle are thinking we need to get some bigger wheels on this thing though. Tiny. I told my daughter we were gonna call it the Little Red Rocket. She goes, ew, gross. I said, what? What's wrong with that? No, we just passed the cop.
I was thinking it was school zone right now.
No, the yellow lights weren't flashing.
I didn't see. I wasn't paying attention. That's all.
Not right now, bud. Not taking phone calls. Oh, you gay bastard. pretty impressed when the guy took me for a drive. It's like a little go-kart. Probably end up selling this thing in a, I don't know, month or two. So anybody interested, let a guy know. I'm going straight too.
Awesome.
Then we go left. No, can't go left.
Trailer pull apart?
Anybody has a small tire car, I'd be interested in trading for it though. Trade for a 56 Chevy, yeah. Probably not, but you know, if anybody wants to do it, I'm there. I'm gonna go straight. I haven't been down this road for a long time.
I was gonna say, what goes straight? I've never been down there.
We in the oil van? I don't see any oil on the ground.
I know. No.
Flip some. It would be fun to take to a track, like up at Pacific Raceways.
Yeah.
Throw it in the trailer with the drag race card. And they always got on Fridays, they got road racing, and then we gotta wait for them to finish up, and then we can pull in for drag racing for the weekend. So it'd be kind of cool, load this up, road race for the day, and then we're already there for drag racing. Lots of spinning. She just kind of spins most of the time if you get on early. I got cash in my wallet. Stop and get Shauna some flowers. They got flowers there? What do they got?
Yeah, it looks like it. Yeah.
Stopped and got some flowers for the girls in my life. Probably the first time ever I've actually gotten Valentine's Day stuff for them. that long.
You gotta think, we were going slow as hell.
Sunday drive.
And it's Mercedes.
No.
I was gonna say, damn, she's gonna see your flowers.
No, that one's way nicer.
Oh, and you're talking shit on Lainey's car now.
You know, they do all drive it though.
Everyone does.
Yeah.
Jay does when he... If Jay's not driving the Ford, he's driving that car.
Yeah.
He never drives his truck.
No, and Shauna drives it 75% of the time if she's driving something, she's jumping it instead of the Jeep.